I'm Dr. Anirban Roy. I'm a psychiatrist and child adolescent psychiatrist from Kolkata. I'm here to suggest you some strategies that you can adapt in this phase of corona or COVID-19 pandemic and resultant lockdown phase. It is natural that if there is a threat to our lives or our day-to-day earning or job security, or it can impact our psychological well-being, and especially if there is sudden uh, you know forced homeboundness without our consent, that is definitely a stress to all of us. And if there is a stress, that is known to cause psychiatric disorder, especially in those person who are already vulnerable. We all know the basic safety precaution for a COVID-19 infection, that is, wearing a mask, regular hand washing, or wearing a gloves, or social distancing. We all know this and be well informed, and we also make others informed around the surroundings uh, about this precautions. But we should not panic and make our lives difficult. That is also very important. Also, we must understand that social distancing doesn't mean mental distancing. And these phase of communication explosion, there is enough scope for a phone call or video chats or different social media platform to keep in touch with our loved ones and friends or relatives. uh, we don't have that time in our day-to-day schedule regularly, but we can do that now because we have time now. We can also spend time with family that we can rarely have in our busy schedule. We can spend time with our loved ones or our kids, with we can share work together, household work, or can spend some quality time together, that we all can enjoy, like board games, like listening to music or watching a movie together, or maybe even gossiping also. That can be a very good family time, and that can increase the bond. And as a practitioner, as a child psychiatry or psychiatry practitioner, we all have seen that all mainly the mostly the problems of the family problems, like couple problems or even the problems with the adolescent kids, are mostly stem from this kind of lack of communication in the family. So if we address that thing, that can take our family in a more stronger position in the long run also. And we can also spend some more time with ourselves also. In ourselves we can, we don't have chance to revisit our hobby which we left long back in our, we used to, maybe some of us used to love music, or some of us used to love to play guitar, or maybe love to read books, maybe love to see movies, that we don't have time. But now we can do that. We cannot do that, but now we have time and we can indulge ourselves into those hobbies. Also, we long for the time to find some scope to learn new things, like trying a new dish, or maybe trying a new subject, like astrology, share market, history, economics. There are a lot of things. Anything can be there. Anything can be there that we can, enrich ourselves with a new knowledge on the new skill. So we can learn new things in the scope of this lockdown phase, because we have time. Also, we should not forget to exercise a bit, because our physical time, physical energy expenditure is less. So we must exercise a bit, so keep ourselves fit. And that can be, we can put ourselves in a regular routine, a regular habit that will stay with us even after the this phase of corona. And also, if we exercise regularly, what one good thing is there, our you know endorphin or a happy hormone is secretes in the brain, that will keep our moral also high. We are happy mostly. Also, we must understand that if we think that we are forced into this lockdown, then it's very difficult for us. We must understand that it is as a responsible person in the human race, as a part of human race, we are keeping ourselves in the lockdown because of the benefit of us and the humanity. So it will release a lot of that kind of pressure of us. So that is a good thing. We must understand we are doing it by purpose, intentionally. Nobody is imposing that lockdown on us. And also we are going to the special population, but the children doesn't understand that. Children doesn't understand why they are under lockdown, so they are disturbed. They and if we are very agitated and angry with their behaviors that they can do during this phase, because they are also off their routine. And especially if the child is very hyperactive or having some special population like some developmental disorder like autism or mental retardation, then they are under a regular routine of some engagement activities, and those activities are mostly non-existent now. Maybe some activities are being conducted on video call, video chats and all, but that is not regular routine. So they are disturbed, and they don't know how to manage with the newfound situation and newfound energy. So they are doing some irritable, they are throwing tantrum and showing their irritability and agitation in the home environment, and that can make the family members life very difficult. And the older children also, we must understand that they are already with the advent of internet, they are already in contact with their friends through social media, WhatsApp, voice call, those things are there. So there is no lockdown there, but staying constantly under some parental supervision sometimes can tell upon their nerve. We must also, we must understand that how we perceive or how we see our situation, a given situation, as a problem or as an opportunity, that is the only factor that determines what is the how we can manage, cope, and after the end result we get after an incidence or a situation. So we can use the situation for our benefits if we perceive so and act accordingly. Like in younger kids, we must understand that they also don't know. We must give them time. We must give them a good model, because they model their parents that this is not a panicky situation, but this is a serious situation. We must be serious but not panicky. That is a good model for them. So we must be calm ourselves. That is one thing. And we must not say no, 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 don't do that, because they also don't know what to do. We must guide them that what they should do instead of their that odd non-acceptable behavior, what they should do instead. We should reframe our instructions positively. That is one thing. And some kind of regular routine, some kind of regular routine with the consent or with the discussion of the child can do wonder in the management of them. And the older kids is always good to teach them new things, because that will add to their self-esteem, or they're also happy, and this is a achievement and success feeling also. Like cooking a new like first they can also learn their first cooking skill. They also learn to help the parents. They also understand in this way. They can also understand the value of work. The no value is no work is inferior. Every work is that is a good good learning that will be helpful for their in the future, all endeavors in their futures also. But we must understand they also have the personal space, because they are older kids, they have a personal space. We should not violate that personal space regularly so that they feel irritated. We must allow them that space, and they will be happy and they will interact with us. But we also must understand that we are all stressed, and if we are bothered with our own problems, then we will feel very depressed and disheartened. But we can under we if you look into the other persons in the society, those who are more difficult, who are in more difficult situation than us, that and we can help them, that can lighten our own problems. And the good feelings of fellow feeling, or that good feelings of helping the when the needy can give us a good satisfaction feeling, that will definitely lighten our problems for our problem, and it's give a good feeling. All big battles are won in mind basically, and if we are strong in our mind, we will definitely overcome this COVID-19 pandemic. And we definitely will overcome, because human race has seen lot of such pandemics, epidemics, calamities, and they have come victorious. So we will definitely come victorious, that is no doubt. But if we use that if you see that as a problem, then we may just overcome it. But if we see it as an opportunity, then we can emerge more powerful as a human being, or as a family, when we emerge from that episode. We must also understand, we have seen we are running for so many things. We don't have time to think that why we are running, and what after we are running. So here, this is a chance of reflection. We can think that why we are running so much. Is that something there that we can do instead, in a better way? That is the benefit. But you must stay home to think that. You stay home, stay safe, but stay connected and stay happy. Thank you.